In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the last modified date and time in Google Drive. Whether you're organizing your files or just need to keep track of the most recent changes, knowing how to quickly find the last modified information can be incredibly useful. Now let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL drive.google.com, or by using the Google Drive app if you're on a mobile device. Once you've landed on the Google Drive homepage, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. This is important because Google Drive will display the files and folders associated with that particular account. Now that you're in Google Drive, direct your attention to the center of your screen where you'll find a list of your folders and files. By default, these items might be sorted according to several criteria such as name or date. To easily check when an item was last modified, we need to change this view. Simply look for the column headers directly above your list of files. Here you might already see an option labeled last modified. Clicking on this will sort your files and folders by their modification date and time. If you click it once, Google Drive will arrange your items from the most recently changed to the oldest, or vice versa if clicked again. This is a great way to see the most current changes right at the top of your list. Now let's say you want to refine this a little further. You may not only want to see when any file was last modified, but perhaps specifically check files that you've interacted with. For this, Google Drive offers a couple of additional viewing options under the same column header. Just click on the last modified header again, and from the drop down menu you should see options like last modified by me and last opened by me. Selecting last modified by me will show you the most recent changes that you personally made to any file. Meanwhile, last opened by me will display the files you last had open, helping you keep track of your own actions within the drive more effectively. By understanding and using these options, not only do you keep your Google Drive organized, but you also make sure you can access your most relevant files faster. This simple method eliminates the hassle of searching through document details and saves time, letting you focus more on your tasks ahead. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to view and manipulate the last modified date and time in Google Drive. This knowledge is really powerful to manage and organize your digital workspace efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in your day-to-day activities. Don't forget to explore other functionalities that Google Drive offers to get the most out of this versatile tool. See you in the next video.